The BMRA is a trade association. We represent the top 300 metal recyclers in the UK. We process around 95% of all the metals that are recycled in the UK, representing an export trade in the region of £3 billion a year. Metals recycling is critical to the UK's economy. One, it's a major export earner. Secondly, we're major savers of CO2. For every tonne of recycled metal used in the production of consumer goods, we're making major savings. UK exports a very large, a significant amount of metal throughout about 47 markets around the world. This is a fairly standard medium-sized metal recycling yard. They're taking in goods and materials arising from small industrial concerns in the local area, as well as some plumbing equipment and other redundant material. Everything you see here has reached the end of its useful life, but it's being very carefully sorted. It's being sorted into specific metals. All the metal you see here today will ultimately go in to be remelted to create new consumer goods. They'll be sorted, they'll be crushed, and they may well then be shredded and sold on to a metal producer who will in turn remelt them and then produce the goods once again. And very often these materials will go from, let us say, a car engine to going straight back into the production of car engines.